Alrighty, so just a quick video here. Um, it's getting warmer here in the United States. I'm in the state of Kentucky, and I'm sure everywhere is getting pretty warm. It's about 85 degrees out here right now, and yeah, we're gonna probably need the air conditioning. Now, a couple tips for you to maintain your AC system. That any homeowner or renter can do themselves. Um, like if you're in an apartment or something, may not be able to do it as easily, but if you're in a house like I am, um, it's always a good idea if you have access to water and a garden hose to come out to your outside condenser if it's easily accessible and clean the coils best you can just with water. So what you're going to do is you're going to just hose it down, and that's going to get any dirt off. Any dirt, any grass, anything like that. And you're going to kind of just run it along. And the water is enough. You don't really need any detergent. Most of the time you don't. And I wouldn't use anything because it can damage the coil. But this just gets all the buildup off. Be sure to get the back of the unit. And this just gets any buildup. And then you can go from the inside and just hose it down. Now, you can take off the panels to get it a little better if you want to, but that's really up to you. That's a little bit more work. You can also take the top off. It may be a good idea if you are in an area that has a lot of trees around it to get all the leaves and stuff out of it and stuff, but you'd never want to use a pressure washer on this ever. A pressure washer will have too much pressure and it can bend the fins, which is never good. You never want to do that, never want to damage that. And I wouldn't use any cleaners or anything. You can buy like coil cleaners and stuff. I don't think that's necessary because you have to like really rinse the crap out of it to get it all out. And most people are just not going to do that. And if that coil cleaner sits in there, it can eventually rot away the coil, causing you issues and leaking, refrigerant. And so you never want to do that. And this maintenance should be done once a year before you start your system up. Just go in and rinse it. And what this will do is it'll bring down the higher pressures, and it'll kind of even it out, and it just makes it run more efficiently. And it doesn't matter how old or how new your system is. This system is brand new. It was just put in September of last year. It's now April of 2024. So, continual maintenance is important. It'll make the system last longer, it'll extend its life, and it'll save you money on your energy bill too. The other thing, pretty obvious, but inside you want to make sure that you change your filter in the inside furnace unit. Make sure that's all clean and changed, as well as clean off any air returns, vacuum them off, clean them off, all of that. So I hope this was informative. Thank you for watching, and have a great day. Bye bye.